These are solutions to Math 90 Exam 2. Number 1, 2 points, -2, 5, and 10, 0. The distance formula is square root of 10 minus a -2 squared plus 0 minus 5 squared. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 squared is 144. -5 squared is 25. Add them up, you get 169. Square root of 169 is 13. So the distance is 13. Midpoint, just average the x's. -2 plus 10 over 2. Average the y's, 5 plus 0 over 2. So 4, 5 halves. Number 2, have to complete the square, x squared plus 2x. Complete the square, half the coefficient of x. Half of -2 is -1. -1 squared is 1, so I add 1 to both sides. Do the same thing for y. Half the coefficient of y, half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Add 4 to both sides. Factor x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to 4. So the center is 1, -2. The radius is the square root of this number, which is 2. Number 3, given these 2 points, the slope is y2 minus y1, 6 minus 1, divided by x2 minus x1, 1 minus 2. That gives me 5 over -1, which is -5. Then I do the point slope form, y minus y1, y minus 6 equals m, -5 times x minus 1. You could have also used 2, 1. Y minus 6 equals -5x plus 5. Add 6 to both sides. Y equals -5x plus 11. Number 4, it's probably best to multiply through by 9 to clear the fraction. So I multiply both sides by 9. 9x squared minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. I recognize that as a perfect squared. It's 3x minus 2 squared equals 0. So what number makes this 0? 2/3. So x is 2/3. Number 5, multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate of 1 minus 2i. That's 1 plus 2i. So the denominator becomes 1 minus 4i squared. That's 1 plus 4, which is 5. The numerator is 2 plus 2i minus 3i is a plus i, minus 6i squared. Minus 6i squared is going to be a plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8, so 8 plus i over 5. And then break it up, so you can write it in the form of a plus bi, which was the direction. So 8/5 plus 1/5 i. Number 6, square both sides. X plus 2 equals x squared. Subtract x and 2. X squared minus x minus 2 is 0. Factor in x minus 2, x plus 1 equals 0. So x is 2 or -1, but you have to check. 2 does check. If I plug in a 2, square root of 2 plus 2, 4, is equal to 2. However, -1 does not check. -1 plus 2 is not equal to -1. So the only real solution is 2. 7, subtract 8 from all sides. -10 less than -2x less than equal to -9. Divide by -2, which is a negative number, which means the inequality symbol reverses. So this becomes greater than or equal to. So 5 greater than x greater than equal to 9 halves. Okay, switch it around because you normally write the smaller number on the left and the larger number on the right. So turn this inequality around, 4.5, which is 9 halves, less than equal to x, less than 5. So in interval notation, it's bracket 4.55, which means include 4.5, do not include the 5 and shade everything in between. Number 8, absolute value of x minus 3 is less than 4. Means x minus 3 is between -4 and 4. Simply add 3. -1 less than x less than 7. So the interval in interval notation is parenthesis, -1 comma 7 parenthesis. So I'll go from -1 to 7, both open circles, shade everything in between. Number 9, clear the fractions multiplied through by 2x. So that gives me 4 plus 1 equals 14x. 5 equals 14x. And so x equals 5/14. Number 10, pressure is proportional to temperature, inversely proportional to volume. So P equals KT over V. Put a 33 here, 400 here, 100 here. 33 equals K times 400 over 100, which is 4. So 33 is 4K divided by 4. K is 33 over 4, or 8.25. All right, so these are solutions to Math 90 exam number 2.